Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have July's Goddess Provisions. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so July's Goddess Provisions just came, and I'm so excited because I love when I get my spiritual boxes because I get new and exciting things. And like I tell you guys every time, I'm trying to learn and grow my collection. That's why I've chose a few different ones and then to show you different variations of different companies. So let's go ahead and get into this one. So if you do not know, Goddess Provisions is 100% vegan and cruelty free. It is $33 a month. US shipping is free. Canadian shipping is $15 and international is $25. You can pause and cancel at any given time. So let's go ahead and get in here. Now, the only thing that I always suggest is that they just kind of flip their order around because they always put their card at the very bottom. So to tell you about the products that I start pulling out, I have to get to the card. So I need to dump everything out. And there's the card on the very bottom. Something smells good in here. So this is the lovely artwork on the front of this month's card. Hello there, Goddess. Monthly mantra. From flames into ash to rise once again, I trust in the fires of transformation to remove ego and create space for truth. There's that. And then it goes over the different items that we will be receiving with the prices. So let me just go ahead and set that there. So the first thing that is right on top is Sacred Elephant Pure Luxury Incense. Maybe that's what I'm smelling. And it's 13 luxury hand-rolled incense sticks. Handcrafted incense traditionally prepared using only the purest high-quality ingredients provided by nature, made accordingly to timeless recipes handed down through the generations. A clean, smooth, burning incense. Vegan. Let's see what these look like. Oh, well, the bottom is opened, so they all fell out into the box. Yes, they did. Okay. I don't know why they would do that, but they should just seal both ends. So hand rolled, here is one of them right there. They do smell really good. Oh, they do smell really good. I can't wait to burn these. I love burning incense. I just love the smell. I love the feel, like when you walk into like a spiritual store and it's all the incense and the scents of everything. I just love that so much. So there is a set of incense. Now on here, it says Sacred Elephant Incense. This incense combines the exhilarating scents of amber and saffron to create a perfect blend for invoking the goddess Kali to free yourself from illusion. Turn your worries and limiting beliefs over to spirits and let the smoke carry them away. And you can use coupon Kali or Kali, K-A-L-I 19, saves 15% off at sacredelephant.incense.com, and this is valued at $8.50 for this box right there. So next item is inside this. Let's see what we have. And it's now in here. Ooh. Hello, Goddess. There is a card that is inside. And what is in here, it's a red agate. Place this agate slice, laser. Ooh, look at that. That's a laser etched on there. That is so pretty. Laser etched with the image of Goddess Kali on your altar or carry in with you to inspire transformation. It helps dissolve the ego while the agate stabilizes energy, will help you stay grounded during times of a great change. and you can use coupon FIRE for 25% off at the, what is it called? It's Facilitia Designs, that whatever it says right there, .com. And this is valued at $16. So here's the back. Look how pretty. See all the different shifts in the colors? And then that is just so cool how they etched that on there. That is really nice. That is really nice. I like that. I like that a lot. She is the slayer of ego and the reminder that death and decay must touch all things. This red agate stone is grounding and protective. Use it to anchor your primal power into root and sacral chakras. That's so cool. Okay, so there's item number 2. And again, that was valued at $16. So next we have is a Room Boost Clear Away. And it slides out like that. It says, adore yourself. Adore yourself. And here is the actual packaging. And this says, Adore Therapy Clear Away Spray. Fire allows for rapid transformation, but when lighting a fire is not an option, miss this blend of refreshing and powerful essential oils overhead and all around you to clear away drama and transform your mood. Valued at $20. And you can use Divine Mood to save 30% off adoratherapy.com. Let's smell this. Ooh, so that's how it looks when you open it. And it has the pump it up. That does smell nice and clean and like refreshing. I do like that scent. It smells really good. Okay, so there is item number 3. And again, that is valued at $20. So next we have is a Modern Mystic Shop Kali Transformation Ritual Kit. Mantra. So here is a ritual kit. For best results, go into this private link first for tips and further explanation of the ritual, and it gives the website. So what is this? Modern Mystic Shop Kali, I hope I'm not saying that wrong, but I probably am. Ritual kit. Goddess Kali is the embodiment of Mother Nature who honors death as a vital part of the cycle of life. Use this fire ritual to burn away old emotional blocks and beliefs so that new life can be flourished. So you have one of the little burning sticks, and then in here, what's in here? You have a little vial of, I don't know if that's essential oils, and then there is 2 candles. So you have the 2 candles, you have this little vial, and it tells you how to do. It even says about dancing. Wow, dancing, feel transformation energy in your body. Yell, grunt, cry, all emotional reactions are welcome. Once you're worn out, grab the red candle with your left hand. I'm gonna have to go to that website and get more information on how this is supposed to be performed, but that sounds definitely interesting for sure. And this is $15. So anything to help aid to get rid of negativity is amazing, because there's way too many negative things and people out there in the world. Life's too short to be that way, but you know, you can't help everybody. So the next thing is inside of this bag right here, and it says Mala Prayer. This is a Mala Prayer necklace. The word BHAKTI translates into devotion. Whether this necklace is a talismanic reminder to surrender to the flame that burns brightly from within. This is $46. To best care for this stainless steel necklace, be sure to remove it before entering water. Do not use perfume, hair products, or cosmetics directly on it, and clean it with a soft cloth. Oh, sorry, you can't even see what that is. Here, let me open it. So it's a necklace, and it's stainless steel, which that's good because stainless steel is like the only thing other than real gold that doesn't react to my skin. So there's that. That is definitely different. And it is a necklace. That is really cool. And again, valued at $40. That's definitely over this entire box being $33. And that's just in one item. And you get all this other stuff. All right, you guys. So again, that's $40. And you can use code GODDESS to save $10 off at malaprayer.com. There's that. Okay, so a few more items still in here, you guys. This is the stone or crystal for the month. They always give you at least one, and this is red jasper. This stone is known to spark kundalini, to rise through the chakras, infusing life's force energy throughout the body. Its cleansing effects clears out negativity, making it a beautiful mood enhancer. So there you have that. That is really pretty. So there is the red jasper. This is valued at $4. And then the last item in here is this. It says Pure Fire Tonic. Inspired by an ancient folk remedy, this spicy vegan tonic with a serious kick features 21 organic ingredients, including apple cider vinegar, fruits, veggies, herbs, spices, and mushroom extracts. Take directly or add to your favorite recipe to fire up your immune system. Valued at $5. What in the world? Pure Fire Tonic. I have never heard of this before. Pure Fire Foods, handcrafted, nourish, fiery foods inspired by an ancient herbal folk remedy. Our Fire Tonic is an organic, spicy, and delicious blend of nourishing, immune-supporting ingredients. Vegan, no GMO, and gluten-free. Heat level is right there. So let me see what this smells like. Oh, holy moly. That smells like pure like pepper sauce. Whoa. Crafted with love. Suggested usage. Take 1 ounce daily. Make as a salad dressing. Add to your recipes or pickle some veggies. Shake before use. Let's see. I'm gonna try this for you guys all by itself. Whew. Whoa. 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 I think I need to put that in a recipe, not just by itself. Whoa. That is, there's like little pieces of something in there. It's kind of got a little, not chunky, but like, you know, like if you put too much pepper in something, you kind of get like those little chunks of pepper. This is very fiery. I mean, whoa. I don't know how that would be on a dressing for a salad. I think that's a little way too much unless you add a little bit, like a little drop to it. But mixing it with food, I can definitely see, because I do like spicy things, just not like I'm drinking hot sauce straight from the bottle. And that's what it kind of reminded me of. But whoa, I'm sure this is definitely really, really good in recipes. So I'm going to try this in recipes, and this is valued at $5. Pure Goddess saves you 20% off at purefirefoods.com. Whoa. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that came in this month's box. What do you think? We have this $5, holy moly, a fire in a bottle. But again, I think this would be really, really good. mixed in recipes because I do like a little heat. We have this room spray that smells really good. We have a ritual kit here, which I'm gonna get some more information on. We have the Mala prayer with this stainless steel necklace, which is very unique. We have the stone or crystal for this month. This is amazing. This I really, really do like. I think that is very intricate with all of that detail that's lasered on there, which I think that is awesome. And then we have the incense. That is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you think of this month. I love this box, irregardless. Sometimes some are better than others, but still you find some really unique things that you would never find before. And that's one reason why I love subscription boxes, because nowadays you can get a subscription box for anything. And I just love them. I'm like addicted. I'm addicted. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and definitely, like I said, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world. I greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't done so already, I'd greatly appreciate it if you were to hit that subscribe button and join the fun and see the different videos that I load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.